just making some pens here now. What? Well, guys, it's a sad day. I was welding away with the old MIG here. This is my old one. A bunch of smoke come fucking rolling out of the box here. And then the wire feeder got stuck on. So I don't know what the fuck is going on with it. Shit sakes. So we've fired up the old stick welder. Which I don't mind welding with a stick. But anyways, I'm gonna triple pass this here too, so I'll bring you back in a bit here. There we go, old sticker. Old sticky. She looks pretty good for that, the old girl. There we go. Nice! Still got her with the old stick, the old fucking whoop, old sticky. Good enough, seeing a few. Okay guys, I've done quite a bit since I showed you last, but anyway, here's the contraption. So here's a frame. I wish I had more room or a longer whip. I did that one with the stick and that one with the stick, and the circuit board is fuckered in the old wire feeder. As soon as I get it to go, I plug it in and it just keeps feeding wire. So I changed, I guess I'm an electrician too. I changed the circuit board, the main circuit board in the inverter part, and I figured that was gonna fix it. And of course it didn't. And then I changed all this crap, and that didn't fix it. Then I had a second, I took the circuit board out of here and put it into that wire feeder. And when I took it out, this was melted off. So I gotta try to get another circuit board, I guess. There, and that goes like that. Look at it, still power in that fucker. Why is there power in there still? Isn't that weird? Oh, it's probably holding power in here. Ha! I like that. That's pretty cool, actually. I never noticed that before, but that was pretty minty. Anyway, she's folked. So this is what I got. I got the main frame done. We got the start of a gate. Nice and straight. Right here. So this is his gate. I don't know if the guy's got buffalo or what the hell. Anyway, I gotta run sucker rod through here into the gate here after. And yeah. So I'm just getting pieces cut for the second gate now. I ran out of paper when I was doing my drawings, but I gotta do a 10.5 gate now. Inside the frame, I did the 14.5. That's that one. That big apparatus. And now I'm gonna start on this guy. Okay, boys. We're getting everything welded up here. So what I did, I got Ashley to come out. Well, I should say we have been busy with the kids, with schooling and stuff, because we're on quarantine there. We're off tomorrow, so that's nice. Anyway, we're just getting everything welded up here now again. Everything's triple passed. Anyways, I got Ashley to come out and we flipped this big panel over. And I'm just going to weld everything on this side. Once this is done, I'm going to grab on with the chain and take this out of here. That chain here, I just bolted it together to hold the gate in there. And yeah, so when I come back, or when I get this done, I'm gonna hook on here with the tractor and yank this gate out, and then I got to make the center section, which is 12 feet minus 1 inch. So I got to make that in between the two panels. So there'll be a chunk in between here yet, but it's 12 feet long. I could have made it all in here, but I don't know how the hell I would have got it out of here. So actually, I'll show you this here. So first thing we do when we do a triple pass, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I'll take the weld and I'll run a root in here, first pass, then I'll run my second pass on this piece, third pass on this piece to cap it all off. So I'll do the first pass and I'll bring you back in a little bit here. Oh, the oil fumes, just suck them in. So there's the first pass. Okay, I'll do the second one here now. I usually do it when it's hot and then I get good penetration. See in a few. Look at my coveralls, just shot. There's the second pass. See how there's a little ledge there now? I can fill that in when I come back this way. So first I go this way, then I start here and go back this way, and then my cover pass I go back this way. So I'll bring you back in a bit. There you go. Triple pass. Nice! Okay, I gotta bring out the stick and do that one yet, then the main frame is done. And then I gotta weld my ground or tack my ground onto the gate and finish all the gate welds here next. So same as the MIG, we're gonna do a triple pass here. We'll go one here, one that way, one back. I'll show you each pass here, so talk to you in a bit here, guys. Other than them fucking stones in there, I'm gonna have to get those out first. Okay, see you in a bit. Alright, let's see what the hell we got here. My rod went short. Okay, let's see. Where the hell are we here? No, down here. Usually this stuff just breaks off easy. There we go. First pass done. Okay, I'll bring you back. I'll run one in here going that way, and then the one on the top. So wait for the old flux capacitor to cool off here a little bit, and we can chip him off. There we go. Round 2 done. Okay, bring you back in a bit. Do the last fill pass. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Not so bad. She's a little hot yet, but there we go. Good enough. There we go, there we go. One and done. Nice. I like that. Woo! Okay, boys. We just hauled out that last panel, or bow gate, I guess you'd call it, or something like that. And now we're gonna make the 12-foot piece minus 1 inch, because there's 2 half-inch plates that get bolted together. Right there and then there. So what I'm gonna do is this panel needs to line up with this gate so that we sort of have a straight line across. So if everything is squared up like it should be, we should be golden, I think. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. I got these little pieces here, and I tack them together. Like these will be a pair because the holes line up. And here's another pair, here's another pair. That one, I don't know what happened there, but anyway, I'm gonna have to get another 2 that line up like these other 3 sets here, and then I got 8. So I just line up these holes, and then all I do is give her a little zing-zang with the old MIG here. I got frickin' welders going all over the place here today. That's okay. So, anyway, I'm going to switch hands here. And, yeah, so just make sure that the holes are all lined up, which they kind of aren't. You get my point. Line them all up so that they're set and they can't move. And then like that, and then I'm gonna do the same on this and tack them all together and do that to 4 sets, and good enough. I'll see you in a bit then. Okay, so let me explain this a little bit to you. So what I got is the second panel now with the gate. Remember that great big one I had in here? I got the sucker rod put in the gate, and Ashley helped me, and we moved it outside. And now we're welding on the flanges on the 10-foot side now. Everything's triple pass here too. Same thing. Looking pretty good. There's a single pass down in there. I think they call that a root pass. So I gotta do 2 passes either side on there yet. And 2 passes there, 2 there, and 2 on the far side. But we're just about out of gas, so I want to run that tank out, and then I can take it to town tomorrow, because I'm off of probation. Woohoo! Anyway, we got the welder crank up to just about 23 amps. Volts, I should say. And she's burning in pretty nice. So, after I get these, after I get these flanges welded, then I'll break the tack welds. Well, they're probably going to break anyways when just from the heat and contraction and whatnot. Well, you want heavy duty. There she is, all in her glory. And that piece there, I got to get some sucker rod for there yet. I got enough for 2 sticks if I cut that in half. So I have to chop the end off, cut it in half, and then I can I got to get holes cut in there yet, and then I can put that rod into that other panel. These ones are all cut and ready to go, but I ran out of gas. So I got 2 tanks I got to take back in the morning. Square up with my guy in town, and then I can come back and I got these holes to fill and this hole to fill, and then flip it over and weld this second pipe that I stuck in there, so I didn't have to. Cause sure as shit, you see where the sucker rod lines up right with the hinge, so I thought, piss on it, just cut another pipe, put it in there, and mint. So I'll go plug the truck and the tractor in and call it a night here. So I guess we'll see you later. All right, boys. Just got to give you an update here. Same thing as usual. Been busy with the kids with school, and we did a bunch of genetic testing with the cows today, so that was good. 100-mile-an-hour wind, so nice. I like that. That's what you want when you're working cattle. Anyway, I pretty near got this one done here. I put in angle braces to help hold the gate frame square. Oh, is that ever nice? Nice! I like that. I put some corner bracing in the gate. Some bugger farted in my coveralls. Jesus. Anyways, got some MIG gas. I gotta pick up one more tank yet. Got my new gloves on. Sweet. So, like I said in my other part there, I put a pipe in front of the hinge, then put the sucker rod into that one instead of going into the the hinge, what do you call it, post, the gate hinge post, I don't know, whatever. You can see what I mean. So instead of doing that, I just welded another piece of pipe in there and then run the sucker rod into that. So those are all done now because I ran out of gas, so I got that finished. Yeah, put those in. I got these all finished. The braces that bolt together, so those are done. Actually, it's gonna be a little hot for welding sucker rod. I have to turn her down, boys. Let's go 350. There we go, good enough. Anyway, all right, another update before I go to bed here. I used up that sucker rod that I had. I only got two strings of it. So anyways, I got all the holes cut. And then I just shoved the rod in just like that. Same as that. And then welded both sides. Weld it there, there, and there. So I got to bring up 1, 2, 3 rods yet. And then I should be... getting tired. Should be golden here. So then at least this piece will be done. I'm going to remark these with the yellow marker on this side. I went with the white marker on this side so that this will line up with that white line. Make it pretty easy for them to put it together. And then the piece that I got outside bolts to here and goes that way. That's the great big fucker. Honest to God, you guys, I lifted it up with the tractor underneath the top rail there. I can't even get it off the ground. Steamy. Nice. Frickin' nice, boys. Old stickums. Oh, there we go. So this panel is tout fini. We already flipped it over. I got the chain latch on. I got a few little tack welds or spot welds there. I got to touch up with the grinder, get those off. And this panel is done. That panel is done. This panel's done. I got all the sucker rod put into him there before lunch, so he's done. He can go outside, and all they gotta do is bolt this together with that, and that end goes to the one that's outside. So I gotta bring that guy in yet. Man, is that smoky shit. It's going right over to the vent. That's nice. Or to the air cleaner. I like that. Anyway, yeah, that'll be it for now, I guess. I will bring you back. All right, guys. So I got this big old bugger in here now. I got that to weld yet. This is done. I got this all finished up. Welded my hinges. Got that done. That pipe is really kind of shitty, but whatever. He drives over that one anyways. I straightened the jack or the gate out, but it just hangs down so much. So I'm gonna jack it back up, and then the bushings are a little bit more wore on this one, so that's all right. Then they're a little bit looser. But I'm gonna jack it up, and then I got to cut my corner braces in there yet. Then we should be laughing. I gotta cut that. Oh yeah, I gotta put this on too yet for the chain, and cut a couple pieces of that for the corner, and I'll bring you back, and we're just about done this project. So nice. Well, guys, there we go. We got this job done. Nice. Everything's pretty well squared up. Everything is marked. So the yellow paint goes with the yellow paint on the middle frame. And then that other gate on the end, the other gate panel. I think, yeah, that one was 10.5. This one was 14.5 wide. So that's a nice big gate. And whatnot. So anyway, that's that. As of right now, I'm not going to put it together to show you, but I think what I'm going to do is, if the guy comes to pick it up and I'm not around or whatever, I might get Ashley to tell him on Facebook or something, friend's face there, and tell him to take a picture of it when he's got her together. Hopefully it looks like the picture on the paper, but can't see why it won't work. Everything was all squared up and ready to go, so there it is. That's what it's supposed to look like. So he sent Ashley a picture on Facebook, what he wanted, and this is what he's getting. So anyway, should be good, I hope. What I did on this chain, on this one, is I welded the chain link to the little deal here, and then when I came around, I stuck a bolt in it so the gate can't open on him. The other one, I got that little piece of chain going around the gate, so it should hold her good. And then I still have I put a chain on there too for that. So anyway, here comes Ted coming for his midnight snack. But yeah, that's her. So anyway, hope he sends us a picture of it and it all looks good and works out for him. Like I said, I hope he's got some great big posts that he's chaining this fucker to, because holy man, that's going to be big. So anyway, that's it for this video finally. I'm not gonna, I edited out some of this stuff. I talk in the past tense now, but I'm still videoing. So what I'm going to do is I edited out some of the BS in here, so it wasn't long. It wasn't too long for you guys, and you guys got bored. So anyway, I got to go, I got to take this out. I have to strap the load on for our friends there, those windbreaks and sucker rod panels, and I got to deliver those tomorrow, which will be Saturday. So hopefully I get this video up tomorrow. I'll try and edit it and get it up there for you guys. So anyway, there'll be a cool video coming out probably Monday or Tuesday for you guys. So that'll be some decent content. And then we got a lot of grain to haul and finish off that feedlot, at least the one side. Anyways, I got to hook up the water. We got power now, so I got to hook up the water bowls, hook up all that power. We got lots of grain. I got like fucking I don't know, 7,000 bushels of grain to haul. So that'll be nice. Get that done, feedlot, and we're going on a road trip with the semi here on Monday. So stay tuned for that video. We might do a live stream when I get there. So I'll post it up on the YouTubes here and probably on Instagram. So anyway, that'll be it for now. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Leave a comment, subscribe for more. Guys, give us a thumbs up. Come on. I get lots of views, but I only get like a tenth of the thumbs up, maybe a little better, but anyways. All right, we'll see you in the next one, right, Billy? Billy. Oh, Billy Fat Cat. Oh, happy cats. Oh yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.